Hello dear students, how are you all? I hope all of you are safe and indoors. Now, as you all know, we have done algebraic identities, 10 parts in which I have explained all the concepts and skills required to solve questions on the topic algebraic identities. Now, we shall be going through few questions in which we shall solve important questions of algebraic identities, and this exercise will be called as brain teasers, as here you have to use your brain to next step to the upper level where you will use different concepts in one question. So from here, let's start a series of brain teasers which will be moving ahead with few more presentations. So what's our first question? Children, let's read the first question. Our first question is a plus 3 into a minus 3 into a square plus 9. Now, as soon as you see this question, what identity comes into your mind? Please see here, children, you have to keep in mind that here you have a plus 3, a minus 3 and a square plus 9. So first of all, try to understand here a plus 3 into a minus 3, we are having the identity a plus b into a minus b is equal to a square minus b square. This particular identity we can use here if you consider a as a and 3 as b. So you are getting a plus b into a minus b. So this much part you can write it as a square minus b square, that is a square minus 3 square, and this a square plus 9 will come down as it is. So see, what's very simple. Now since a square minus 3 square can be written as a square minus 9, you write it as a square minus 9 and again bring down a square plus 9 as it is. Now see, again you are having a square minus 9 into a square plus 9. Again this is coming into the form a minus b into a plus b if you consider this a square minus 9 as your a. Okay, in the formula. Now see, this can be written as, again this can be written as a square minus b square, that is a square, that means a square whole square minus 9 square. So this will come to be as a power 4 minus 9 square means 81. So it's very simple, quite easily done if you follow the identities properly and recall the identities you have learnt earlier. Children, come on, let us see the next question. If x square plus 1 by x square is equal to 6, then find x power 4 plus 1 by x power 4. This is your question. Now children, see what is given and relate it to what is to be found. पहले आप क्या दिया हुआ है इसको आप ध्यान से देखिए और क्या निकालना है इसके साथ कैसे रिलेट करेंगे इसको देखिए. जो निकालना है, you have to find out x power 4 plus 1 by x power 4, isn't it? Now what is x power 4? x power 4 आपका क्या है, ये कैसे आएगा x power 4? जब आप x स्क्वायर का होल स्क्वायर करेंगे तब आपको आ जाएगा x power 4 और 1 by x स्क्वायर का होल स्क्वायर करेंगे तो 1 by x power 4 आएगा. इसका मतलब ये हुआ कि somewhere you need to square what is given in your data. तो what is given here? Let us write what is given. पहले जो दिया हुआ है उसको लिख लिए, x square plus 1 by x square is equal to 6. Now that you know कि x square का होल स्क्वायर हमारा x power 4 आ रहा है, तो आप अकेले x square को होल स्क्वायर करके डायरेक्ट नहीं निकाल सकते. आप सारा का सारा काम पूरा LHS के साथ करना होगा. You have to do whatever you want to do to both LHS and RHS. सिर्फ एक्स स्क्वायर का होल स्क्वायर आप नहीं कर सकते, आपको पूरे के पूरे एक्सप्रेशन दैट इज एक्स स्क्वायर प्लस 1 बाय एक्स स्क्वायर इन द एलएचएस शुड बी स्क्वायर्ड. तब आप अगर एक्स स्क्वायर प्लस 1 बाय एक्स स्क्वायर को स्क्वायरिंग करते हैं तो आपको 6 का भी स्क्वायर करना पड़ेगा. यू हैव टू स्क्वायर बोथ एलएचएस एंड आरएचएस, दैट मीन्स स्क्वायरिंग ऑन बोथ साइड्स, जो हम लोग कहते हैं ना स्क्वायरिंग ऑन बोथ साइड्स. जब आप बोथ साइड स्क्वायरिंग करते हैं तो व्हाट डू यू गेट? This we have done here. We have squared on both sides. Now see what happens if you square. X square plus 1 by x square whole square, ये a plus b whole square के फॉर्म में है. तो ये a plus b whole square के फॉर्म में हमारा आइडेंटिटी क्या कहता है? a plus b whole square, a square plus b square plus 2ab. Isn't it? What this identity, you are going to use this identity. So see, x square whole square, a square का मतलब x square whole square plus b square का मतलब 1 by x square whole square plus 2ab, 2 into x square into 1 by x square. ये आपका LHS हो गया. You have completed the LHS. Now what is your RHS? 6 square, so that will become 36. Okay. Now if you see this term here, you will see that you have x square in the numerator and x square in the denominator. You make it cancelled. So you'll be left with 2 here. Okay. Now see what you are getting. X square whole square means x power 4 plus 1 by x square whole square means plus 1 by x power 4. And here plus you are getting only 2 into 1, that is 2, which will be equal to 36. So now you can send this 2 to the RHS. So you will get x power 4 plus 1 by x power 4 equal to 36 minus 2, that is equal to 34. So this way you can solve it. Here you are using the identity a plus b whole square equal to a square plus b square plus 2ab to solve the sum. The other skill is, here you are given with an equation. So in the equation, when you are squaring on both the sides. You have to square on both the sides. You cannot square only one side. Come on, let us see the next question. Find the value of k if xy square k is equal to 4xy plus 3y whole square minus 4xy minus 3y whole square. See, first 4xy plus 3y whole square, then 4xy minus 3y whole square separated by minus. यदि आप इसको ध्यान से देखते हैं तो ये देखिए, आपको ये अगर इसको आप a मानते हैं और इसको आप b मानते हैं तो अगेन यू आर गेटिंग द आइडेंटिटी a square minus b square. If you consider a as 4xy plus 3y and b as 4xy minus 3y, then this particular thing whatever is given, ये आपका जो पूरा का पूरा चीज है ये दिया हुआ है, ये आपको इस फॉर्म में आ रहा है. a square minus b square is given as this xy square k. ये a square minus b square के फॉर्म में आ रहा है. तो what is your a square minus b square? A square minus b square means what? A square minus b square is nothing but a minus b multiplied by a plus b, isn't it? A minus b into a plus b है. तो अब हम लोग को यहाँ से here a minus b कितना होता है और a plus b कितना होता है निकालेंगे तो we'll get the answer. It's very simple. See, a minus b पहले निकालें. a minus b मतलब 4xy plus 3y minus 4xy minus 3y, isn't it? 4xy minus 3y. Because you see children, we have minus in b, so that's why we have to keep the brackets. So this will give you 4xy plus 3y minus 4xy and minus minus plus 3y. Now if you carefully observe, plus 4xy and minus 4xy gets cancelled and you will be left with 6y. ये आपका a minus b है. a minus b आपका simply कितना है? 6y. Now let's see what is our a plus b. देखते हैं a plus b कितना होता है. Now see, a plus b में हम क्या लिखेंगे? 4xy plus 3y plus 4xy minus 3y. So this will become 4xy plus 3y plus 4xy minus 3y. Now again you will cancel plus 3y and minus 3y and you will be left with 8xy. See, simply a plus b is 8xy and a minus b is 6y. So what happens? What happens to your question? Xy square k will be equal to a square minus b square. Okay. Now a square minus b square means a plus b into a minus b, and you have already got a plus b as 8xy and a minus b as 6y. So see how simple it has come. So it will become xy square k is equal to, now see, multiply number with number, you will get 6 8s are 48, and this x will remain as it is and y will multiply with y to get y square. Now see, k will becoming, k will stay here, and if you take this xy square that side, it will become 48xy square by xy square. So see, you cancel y square with y square, x with x, and this will say that x is equal to 48. See children, it's very simple, quite easily done. But when you saw the question, it was looking as if it's very complicated, but the question is not complicated. See, the question is not complicated. It's very easy if you see it properly. It comes in the form a square minus b square. Simply you find out what is a minus b and a plus b, and then you can solve it very easily.